I'm Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today the topic that I'm covering is basically from the electrical domain. Might be you guys have listened about this, that is economic load dispatch, but most of the guys have done it for the 3 units, 4 units or 5 units. But the topic that today I'm going to present is basically we have done it for the multiple units, for the 10 units, for 40, for 80 and 140. So multiple units are being considered. The dataset is taken from the internet sources and from some of our known resources, where you can see the number of information is given over there in the factors. And optimization algorithm, that is a new variant of the Firefly algorithm, is being implemented in this. The base paper that we have considered, that is basically working on the GW, Gray Wolf optimization algorithm. So when I'm running this code, it is iterative process, as in this basically we have implemented the advanced version of the Firefly optimization algorithm. So it is processing its iteration, as total iteration given by my side is basically 100. The total initial population is of the 50. So those people who are aware about the optimization algorithm might be aware that what exactly the population and what exactly the iterations are there. So you can see the cost generated dollar per hour is there, which is reducing by changing the iteration. As the iterations are being processed, the cost is going to be reduced, which is the main objective of economic load dispatch. The results are shown over there, that what is the best cost we have achieved, what is the mean cost, which is the worst standard deviation, simulated time, etc. We have done it for the multiple units. As you can see, same is done for the 40 units, and that we have used the 40 unit data and calculated the results that are presented in front of you. The time simulation is also being performed, so that we can show that how fast our system is, how effectively the system can solve the economic load dispatch issue. The implementation is performed to solve the economic load dispatch, which is basically the fulfillment of the required power from the power units by maintaining the cost. Because if the cost is going to be increased, the power requirement is fulfilled, then that is basically the issue, that is costlier for the user. So that's why the economic load dispatch is one of the problem which is covered in the electrical domain. So those people who are working in the PhD or the MTech, they can go for such applications. And even wall point effect and many other factors are being considered. Even the major concept in this is basically the optimization algorithm that I have used, that is the variant of an advanced variant of Firefly optimization. Most of the people have mostly using the GWO, the simple Firefly, the genetic, the PSO optimization algorithm, but we have proposed a advanced optimization algorithm which is solving not for the 3, 4 or 5 units, even for the 10, 40, 80, 140 and above, right? So I hope you people like this video, and the electrical engineers, those want to work on this domain, can contact us directly, or even can get the ideas from us. The contact numbers and the other information is given in the below section in the description, so you can read it and contact us. Thanks for watching.